So this is the AR drone. So it can be piloted with an iPhone through a Wi-Fi connection. So here how it works. So I press one button and it will take off. It will then stabilize, waiting for command. And it stabilizes on its own. I can move it. And it will stabilize all the time, waiting for command. So there's a camera at the front. If you on the iPhone, there's also a camera at the bottom. I can switch and make my hand. I have the two at the same time. Then to move, the drone tilts. So I will just tilt the iPhone using the accelerometer, and the drone will just tilt the same way like this. To the right, rotation to the left, go up and down, and I can swing. On top of this, we are making games. We can do shapes and color detection. This is what you see, the green and the orange here. So we can have a virtual fight within a real environment. And you can see this on your iPhone. I can also change some parameters here by changing the speed of the rotation while it is still flying, and then you can see the results immediately. The price will be $299 US, and it will be available in September in the US.